What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another quick video. This time we're gonna wash the bike. As you can see, it's still pretty dirty from that one day that I took it, and it was raining really bad when I took it to work. So she needs to be cleaned. We're gonna do a quick time-lapse video of me cleaning, and I'm gonna post it for you guys to check it out. And that's the finished product. She's all clean now. Let me zoom in a little bit. I can see right there the engine. That's the front. Let's go to the side here. This side. It's all clean. Let's turn it on for you guys. And that's how you clean a motorcycle. Real quick, nothing fancy.